What happens when a man loses his wealth, his family, and even his health? What happens when suffering lasts not days but years? This is the powerful story of Hazrat Ayyub al-Islam, the prophet whose patience became a timeless lesson for humanity. Hazrat Ayyub al-Islam was a righteous prophet blessed by Allah with wealth, land, and a large family. His life was filled with gratitude, worship, and kindness toward the poor. But Allah destined for him a test that would shake every part of his life. Ayub lived peacefully among his people, known for his generosity and devotion. His land was fertile, his livestock were many, and his home was filled with children. Yet Allah was preparing him for one of the greatest trials ever faced by a prophet. Suddenly, his wealth began to disappear. His children passed away, and his body was struck by a painful illness. His condition became so severe that people began to distance themselves from him. Only his loyal wife remained beside him, caring for him with patience and love. Years passed, but Ayub never complained about Allah's decree. His heart remained filled with faith even as his body grew weaker. In the quiet of his hardship, Ayub turned to Allah in humble prayer. He said, "Indeed, adversity has touched me, and you are the most merciful of the merciful." This sincere supplication reflected the patience of a true servant of Allah. Allah answered the prayer of his faithful prophet. Ayub was commanded to strike the ground with his foot. A spring of pure water emerged, restoring his health and returning his blessings. The life of Ayyub al-Islam teaches that patience is the strongest shield during hardship.
True faith remains firm even when the world collapses around us.
Collapses around us. For Allah never abandons those who trust Him with sincere patience.